my channel. Today is a very fun, all over the place, get ready with me tutorial, pumpkin spice, hot Cheetos, orange look. It's this look that I have on right now. If you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Let's get into it. Let's just start with the eyes. We are all primed, brows are on, we are ready to go, and I'm using the Flamingo palette by Violet Voss. This palette is so pretty. I love the colors in this. This palette kind of screams summer to me, to be honest, but there are some really, really beautiful oranges in here, so I want to dabble in those oranges and dive into those and see if we can do a pumpkin spice makeup look. Okay, I also have this orange loose glitter from Amazon. I have I don't even know where the lid to this purple one is. I don't know what it's doing here. I just got glitter. Okay, moving on. I got glitter everywhere. I have this big blending brush, so I'm just gonna start with this, and I'm gonna go into the color Popsicle. So we're just gonna blend this all over the crease. I have been so into pumpkin spice everything this year. I don't know how you guys are. Comment down below if you are like pumpkin spice everything, or if you're like, that is so basic, I am not into the pumpkin spice. Like, let me know what your opinion is. For me, I have been going all out. I got the little K-cups, pumpkin spice, I got pumpkin spice creamer, and then also the syrup to put in my coffee. It's just like, it's a lot. But there are some things I feel like that do not need to be pumpkin spice. Like, there is pumpkin spice cereal I was seeing, and I'm like, that's a little too far. Like, sometimes they take it a little too far, but I do love themed things for holidays and seasons, and it just gets you really excited. And all the leaves are changing colors, and it's beautiful, and I feel inspired to play with colors. Okay, moving on. This is Morphe Jaclyn Hill 35 brush. I'm gonna go into Sandals. We're gonna just kind of hit the outer corner blend into the crease. I'm just kind of blending this all in the crease, actually. These shadows blend really, really nice. Just keep building up the color, and then I'm actually being impressed with this palette. It's looking really pretty. I do need some more oranges, so we're gonna dip into Modern Renaissance, and I'm gonna go into the color Real Gar because I need just a little bit of a deeper orange. So I'm gonna just kind of just really gently, same brush, just tapping in ever so softly, and then we're just gonna put this on the outer corner. Okay, so this brush, JH41, I don't like this brush. I feel like it's scratchy on the eyes, but all of my other shimmer brushes are dirty. So this is like the only one that's like semi-clean. We're going in with this, and back to Violet Voss Flamingo. We're using the color Island, and it's this really pretty orange shimmer. It doesn't look orange on here, but once you swatch it or apply it, it does look orange. This brush isn't horrible if you don't use a lot of pressure with it. Cute, I like this. This candle smells so yummy. It is from Bath & Body Works. It's called Gather. It is such a good fall candle. I just had to put that out there. Okay, so going into Too Faced Glitter Glue, a lot of you guys have been asking me, like DMing me, commenting on my pictures on Instagram, asking me how I get the glitter to stick and stay and not fall all over my face. This is how. It's really good. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Oh, should I do like one of those little, boom. Back in with this brush, and we're gonna put on just some of this orange loose glitter on top. This is gonna happen, but just wipe it away, and yeah. I'm gonna glitter up this eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I put on some lashes and a wing liner, and these are the lashes in the style Sassy from Secret Vanity. I really love these Secret Vanity lashes. You can use code EMMA for 20% off if you guys want to use it. If not, that's cool too. I'm just gonna go in with foundation. I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the color Ivory Nude, and sorry if I'm acting awkward. It's because my boyfriend just got home from work and he's right here, and both of the dogs are in here. We're going to the pumpkin patch tonight, so I need to like hurry it up and get glam and get ready. Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
You look crazy.
Just a little bit.
Do you want to come sit next to me?
I brought you mail.
What is it? Should we do an unboxing? Oh my god. This video is all over the place.
I know. Let's see what you ordered from Amazon that you don't know what you ordered.
Oh, are you sure this didn't come today?
It came like a day or two ago.
I just ordered these though. Some mermaid rhinestone body gems and jewels. That is for some looks later on this week.
And chunky boxes?
No, this is more glitter stuff.
No, great. My favorite.
No, you love the glitter. This is so funny. And this is the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in Swan. Bye.
Bye, have fun.
Thanks. I want more Cheetos.
Oh.
I'm just gonna put this all over. Show them the Cheetos. They're like special holiday ones. Aren't they so cute? Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in Translucent Light. I love this powder. I just go in with my sponge and then I just put it all over my face and kind of like bake my face. I just want to be really matte for fall. I want to look flawless. I want my makeup to stay on. Okay, now we have my face on. I'm gonna contour. So I'm gonna use, I've really been liking this JH05 contour brush that I used in my last video, and same thing, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So we're gonna finish up the face and then I'll finish up the eyes. Going in, Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. Bronze even more. It's okay if I look super orange because that's like the look, so just going in. JH07 brush and go in with this Hourglass powder. What is going on? And I like to just kind of hit like the high points of the face with this. And this is like a pre-highlight powder. And this is if you want to be really extra and have that extra glow in those areas. So that just makes it like bam, like hopping. And I want more of like a warm orangey highlight. So I'm using the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the I drop everything. I'm going to use the color Lyra. That's a pretty name. Lyra? Lyra? And I'm going to use the ColourPop F5 brush. I really like this brush for highlight. And this is actually more of like a pink moment. I'm gonna mix it with Eclipse. I was wanting orange and it's coming out more of like a pink, but that's okay, that's still cute. And then I have just been using my Fenty How Many Carats diamond powder and just putting this on top of everything as like a highlight topper because it adds a little more sparkle, and I feel like that's just necessary. You can never have enough or too much sparkle. I also do need to hit the inner corner with these same colors to highlight those areas as well. JH42 brush, Eclipse Lyra mixed. Hit the inner corner, like go in, because I really love a bright inner corner highlight. Now we need a little blush. Gonna do Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I wish that I had a really orange blush, but I could not find one. So this is like a warm tone. And that's good too. And of course, the nose. Blushing nose. And I want to do a very blown out, very smoked out under eye shadow. I'm going to use Clinique Quick Liner for Lips in Intense Cayenne. It's kind of like an orange lip liner, and I'm going to use that in my waterline. If you have sensitive eyes, whatever, maybe don't use it for your eyes, but I always use lip liner as eyeliner, and it's fine for me. The best formula to do that with is the Urban Decay eyeliner or lip liner, because those are the same formula, so you can use them like the same way. Let's go back into Flamingo eyeshadow palette. I'm using JH43 brush. I have been liking these brushes. I have got a lot of shedding with them, to be honest, more than I was expecting, but they are some of the cleaner brushes that I have right now. I really need to just wash all my brushes, but yeah, so I'm just using these because they're not as dirty as the rest. We're gonna go into the color Sandals. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Even just like that. Ooh, yes. We are gonna smoke it out a lot, like I said, because I love a really blown out lower lash shadow. This is a MAC 219 little smudger brush popsicle. I'm really liking this look. JH35 brush. This is the same brush I used on the top. And I'm going to use this with this color Sunbathe. And I'm just going to kind of blend everything like super blown out. Like bring it low. Low, 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 low. I'm going to use the Milk Blur spray. Mine's really dirty. I don't know. Everything gets so grimy. But this one's nice because it just kind of blurs all of your imperfections and makes you look matte, and it helps just keep everything on. So, all right, just need to do some finishing touches. I need to add some lips, and I'm gonna use the same thing I did for my waterline, this Intense Cayenne Clinique lip liner. Okay, so I basically just totally overlined my lips with this Clinique lip pencil. I put it all over, and now I'm gonna go in with, this is a ColourPop metallic lip in the color Cheat Code. This is the closest thing that I had to like an orange pumpkin spice color. I tried so hard to find within my collection like a bright orange or a very pumpkin color, and I don't have one, so I need to definitely purchase one as soon as possible. But for now, this will do. So just put this right over top of that lip liner. I feel like that's not the best look. I think a matte would have been better than the metallic, but like it's fine. Bottom lash mascara using Buxom. I really like this mascara. It doesn't smudge on me, which is rare. Like it doesn't transfer throughout the day, and I really like that. Benefit Gimme Brow number 5. I need to just run this through my brows real quick. This is like a key step to my makeup routine. All right, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the little bell to turn on my notifications so you can see when I post so you guys can see when I post a video, because I am going to be posting a lot of videos and you don't want to miss them because there's some Halloween tutorials coming up. I love you all so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye.